In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Splitwise to PayPal. We'll walk through this process from start to finish so that by the end, you'll be able to pay back your friends directly from Splitwise using PayPal without any confusion. Make sure you're already logged into both your Splitwise account and your PayPal account in your browser or app. That will make everything smoother and help you avoid any login interruptions along the way. First, open Splitwise. You can do this either in your web browser or through the mobile app, depending on what you normally use. Once you're in, go to the group or the friend you want to settle up with. This might be a travel group, a housemate group, or just a one-on-one balance with a friend. Take a second to confirm that the amounts owed look correct, because whatever you see here is what you'll be paying through PayPal. Next, look for the Settle Up button. This is usually near the top of the screen or close to the balance section. Click or tap Settle Up. This is the key action that begins the payment process and lets Splitwise show you the different ways you can pay. After you click Settle Up, you should see several payment options. Among them, select PayPal. In some layouts, you might see PayPal as an icon. In others, it may show up as a button labeled with Pay with PayPal, or something similar. Choose that option to continue. Once you select PayPal, Splitwise will redirect you to PayPal's secure payment page or open a PayPal window. Here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to log into PayPal if you aren't already. Then you'll see the payment amount, the currency, and the recipient details that came from Splitwise. Review everything carefully to make sure it matches what you expect. If everything looks good, confirm the payment inside PayPal. PayPal may ask you to choose a funding source, such as your bank account or card, and then you'll finalize the transaction. After you confirm, PayPal will process the payment, and you'll be redirected back to Splitwise or see a confirmation message. Give Splitwise a moment to update. Your balance in that group or with that friend should now reflect that you've settled up using PayPal. That's all there is to it. Open Splitwise, click Settle Up, choose PayPal, and follow the prompts.